So hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today in this video, we are going to solve this very amazing question, right? We have solved very less question, right, of this kind. So I decided to solve this kind of question as many as possible, right? So 1 by x square minus 1 divided by x plus 1 whole square equal to 1, right? So this is very amazing question and very conceptual question. So pay attention throughout the method, throughout the video, and during any step, if you have any query, any doubt, then you can obviously comment me in the comment box, right? 1 by x square minus 1 divided by x plus 1 whole square equal to 1. So first of all, how do we solve this kind of question, right? Here I have x square and here I have x plus 1 square, which means you can see this equation is in order, right? Here I have x plus x plus 1, x plus 2 if it is given, right? But here we have only two term, x square and x plus 1 square. So first of all, what we'll do, I will write this as it is, 1 by x square minus 1 divided by x plus 1 whole square, right, equal to 1. Now if I multiply both the side by x plus 1 whole square, right, x plus 1 whole square. Now let's see what will happen. If I multiply this equation inside, then it will become x plus 1 whole square divided by x square minus x plus 1 whole square, which will get cancelled out with this, so minus 1 equal to x plus 1 whole square. Agree? So again, x plus 1 whole square divided by x square minus 1. If I expand this equation, it will become x square plus 2x plus 1. Now for simplification, if I take 2x and 1 both on left hand side, then what will happen? X plus 1 whole square, here also 1, divided by x square minus 1 minus 2x minus 1 equal to x square, right? So this equation will become x plus 1 whole square divided by x square minus 2x minus 1 and minus 1, it will become minus 2, right, which will be equal to x square. So now what I can do, see this, by looking at this equation, this become very difficult, right? You will think that it will be very difficult to solve this equation from this step, right? But there is a twist. If I take common minus 2 from this part, right, x plus 1 whole square divided by x square, if I take minus 2 common, and it will become x plus 1, which will be equal to x square. So now in first step I have x plus 1, and in second term also I have x plus 1. So if I take common x plus 1 from this equation, right, so x plus 1 take common, what will remain? X plus 1, here x plus 1 divided by x square, and here only minus 2, which will be equal to x square, right? So now what will happen? If I take x plus 1 into denominator of this x square, then this equation will look like x plus 1 x square minus 2, which will be equal to x square divided by x plus 1, right? So x plus 1 divided by x square, and here I have x square divided by x plus 1. So this has become very interesting now. Now for simplicity, if I assume that let x plus 1 divided by x square equal to z, right, let z equal to x plus 1 divided by x square, right, then what will the value of x square divided by x plus 1? 1 by z equal to x square divided by x plus 1, obviously, right? So if I put value z minus 2 equal to 1 by z, right? So if you multiply z both the sides, then it will become z square minus 2z equal to 1, right? So it will become z square minus 2z minus 1 equal to 0. So now simplification, if I add both the side plus 2, right? So z square minus 2z plus 1 equal to 2. So this equation will become z minus 1 whole square equal to 2, right? I hope you must understand why I have plus 2 both the side, because here I have minus 1, right? This can't be in the form of z minus 1 whole square, because in form of, if I want to write down z minus 1 whole square, then last term must be positive, right? But here I have negative, so I have added plus 2 both the sides, so that I get plus 1 here, right? So value of z will be here 1 plus or minus root 2, right? This will, I will get 2 value of z, 1 plus or minus root 2, right? So I hope you got it. Now I want to find out the value of x, but I have already assumed that z equal to x plus 1 divided by x square. So if I take 1 by 1 value, so first of all, if I take x plus 1 divided by x square equal to 1 plus root 2, right? So I will get x plus 1 equal to 1 plus root 2 x square, right? So now this has become second order quadratic equation, minus x minus 1 equal to 0, right? So if you solve this equation using the formula of minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, and you will get 1 plus or minus b square, which means b square minus 4ac. If you solve this equation, you will get 5 plus 4 root 2, right? Divide by 2 into 1 plus root 2. This is for 1 plus root 2, right? If I talk about x plus 1 divided by x square equal to 1 minus root 2, then you will get equation like this: 1 minus root 2 x square minus x minus 1 equal to 0, right? And if you solve this equation by this formula, then you will get x equal to 1, right? Plus or minus, if you solve this equation b square minus 4ac, you will get 5 minus 4 root 2 divided by 2 into 1 minus root 2, right? But this won't be our answer. Can you say why? Because we will not get real solution, right? We will not get real solution. Why? Because this term under root b square minus 4ac is less than 0, right? Because 4 root 2 is obviously greater than 5. So this whole answer will, this under root b square minus 4 is less than 0. That's why this will become imaginary number, right? But we want only real solution. That's why this is the only our answer, right? So I hope you got it. As I said, this is very conceptual and kind of lengthy question, right? I hope you got it. But if you still have any query, any doubt, then you can obviously comment me in the comment box. And thank you so much for watching this video.